Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to solve Capcut loading effect problem. Alright, so let's begin. If you've ever been stuck waiting forever for an effect to load, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and fix it so you can get back to editing smoothly. Let's start with the basics because these simple steps fix the issue most of the time. First, make sure your Capcut app is updated. Open the app. If you are on project, go to menu at the top, then go to more and click on version. Here, check for updates. If there's a new version available, install it and restart the app. Updates often include bug fixes that resolve loading issues. Next, check your internet connection. Capcut relies on a stable connection for many effects, especially cloud-based ones. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, effects may get stuck loading. Try turning your Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch to a different network if possible. Another quick fix is to clear the cache. Over time, temporary files can build up and cause performance issues. In Capcut project, go to your menu again and this time select Settings. Then tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your projects. It just refreshes the app and can fix stuck effects instantly. If the problem still isn't solved, try adjusting a more advanced setting. Go to Menu tab again, then go to Settings. Here select Performance tab and look for Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Turn this option off, save the changes, and restart Capcut. On some devices, this feature can actually cause glitches instead of improving performance. You can also try restarting your device. It sounds simple, but it clears background issues and memory bugs that might be affecting Capcut. Just make sure to save your project before restarting. Finally, if nothing else works, the best solution is to reinstall Capcut. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official source, and sign back in. This removes any corrupted files and gives you a completely fresh start. These steps will fix most Capcut loading effect issues and get your editing back on track, and that's it. This is how you can solve Capcut loading effect problem. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.